Hi, I'm Dallas, and I like to fish. This is cool.
I gotta get a whim.
He also likes to fish. Oh, and he just had a bite. That's Brady. That's Roger. He's smoking a cigarette. It's bad.
And me.
That's
the
Leanne, the
cameraman.
camera woman.
A woman.
Oh, she's done it.
Dallas, you need to start off the auction here. It's a monster!
Oh my God, Brady's got one.
Yay!
Wait, come over here. Come over here.
Oh.
It's this little guy. Come over here.
Kissy, kissy.
We'll stick it right through the anal cavity again. And then. Oh.
Fucking snagged it. Look at that.
Haha, nice.
Whoa, that is weird.
Look at Mo. Gotta have my fishing pole in the extended. I think it's a freaking beluga whale. Nope, I was wrong. It's just a trout. No beluga.
Whoa, well, sometimes they strike. They strike. Oh, yep, whoa. Alright, I can almost fit my whole thumb in his mouth. He's huge.
Okay, Dallas.
We're done.
Gotta film my bass.
I am. First bass of the day.
Oh yeah, it's a cute little bass.
Are you guys fishing for basses?
Ooh.
For sea basses?
Sea bass, yes, it's a rock bass. Because I caught it on a rock.
Look at that guy.
And it's a bass.
Look at that guy.
See what he has to say.
But it was a
Rock.
He's speechless. Oh no, he just said a word.
Well, here we go.
He said, "Fuck you, Leanne. You suck at being a camera woman."
Oh.
I'm just joking.
Okay.
Now he says he's just joking. Give him a little kissy goodbye. No.
Oh.
Oh. The Nile River. Going?
I think it freaking got off.
Oh, you still got him?
I think a dragon.
Fishing on the Nile River.
I think a dragon.
You got a crocky?
Oh, it's a little bit bigger. Look at it.
It's pretty nice.
Where the fuck did you take it? Brady, I'm gonna hook this on my hook.
I got one too.
Look at.
over here.
Oh my
I
God!
got one. You wanna reel it in, Roger?
My mom's gonna be so proud because we can finally feed the family.
Roger's got it on. Oh, hold her so she doesn't fall in. Oh, holy crap.
It's a big one.
Holy shit. It's a crocky.
No.
All by herself.
Oh, whoa! Actually, it wasn't
She just
mine.
caught her first fish ever. Look at it. Oh God. It splashed her too. How do you feel?
Whip her in the face.
No. She is speechless.
Effort.
She just got her first fishy.
I wonder if this would be good bait. Oh, fuck! Sam!
And I'll show you how.
Sam, I thought you knew how to do this.
I do. You tightly grab the shaft of the fish, gently stroke it, like this, and you slowly
Wait, take a
pull the
picture
hook
of it.
out.
I wonder if
So
dragonfly.
you know,
I wonder if dragonfly would work with it. Brady. Oh, look Brady. at
It's
it.
huge.
Oh, woo! Just.
We just witnessed I'll go get him. Whoa, he could strike at any moment. We're vicious.
The rainbow trout can travel 13 miles an hour on land.
He had some illegal net stuck to him that the poachers around here used to catch fish.
There's Dallas. His ass crack.
Hey guys, invading my video.
Cole got a perch.
Cool, got one.
Go over there and film it. It's a perch.
Looky over here.
Go You're film the camera woman. Get over there. Here, I'll film. You'll see. Good job, Keller. There's Avery and John Boy out in their canoes. And
Dude, that's a pretty big perch.
Cole got a nice perch. Hold him up, Cole. Good perch. What?
Those are kayaks.
Okay, Avery and John Boy in their kayaks out there. Oh, okay, just check it out.
You can't videotape when they said no.
When you get a chance.
Well, we're videotaping you, so.
Okay.
Kill's taking off his perch. Nice perch, as you can see. Oh shit! Close up on the perch. Hold them up, Kill. Good job.
Oh.
How do you feel?
Speechless.
You are in pain. Take your life with cocaine. But I am who I am, so I do what I can when I can, but I can really do a damn thing. So fine, this day, all your problems has gone away. But tomorrow, when you wake up, all your problems are back to stay. Your life a game, turn it up with cocaine. And every time that you live, it's a time when you feel, and the only time you heal. Tell me what it is, and it will never be like this. A problem that we have in common, baby. Tell me what it is, it probably doesn't mean a piss. Yeah.